This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. This spacious Suffolk home is ready for you. Over 3,500 square feet in this 5-bedroom/3 bath transitional. Nice floor plan features 2-story foyer, living room, dining room, family room with vaulted ceiling, and large eat-in kitchen. First floor bedroom with access to full bath, second floor primary suite with large walk-in closet and private bath, large finished room over garage, fifth bedroom, and second floor laundry room. 2-car attached garage, deck, and large backyard. Established neighborhood with private park, lakes, and walking path. Convenient to Route 58 and Downtown Suffolk. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.